Whether you're a teenager, unemployed, an entrepreneur, or just want to make a side income, you need to watch this video. I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can create a real passive income stream from your computer. The best part is that nothing that I'm showing you will require any money, any skills, or any previous knowledge, and all of these are able to be easily outsourced online. All right, let's get into it. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a cash cow channel that will make you money while you sleep. I'll be going over the top 3 untapped niches that have not been yet saturated and can make a lot of money faster than others. Some will be through monetization and getting paid via AdSense, and some will not. So if you don't want to rely on getting paid through ads, you will learn other ways around it. All right, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how you can find all the content for your channels, how to recreate videos to get more views and more engagement, what programs to use to create your videos, how to avoid copyright strikes, how to get around having to record your voice or pay someone to do it, showing you multiple channels to maximize your potential income for all your niches, and if you stick around to the end, I'll also throw in some tips and tricks that will guarantee your success with them all. I'm making this video because I want to push out as many strategies as possible so that you can choose at least one that you resonate with and make money right away. This will be a bigger video, but I do encourage you to watch as much as possible to make sure that you don't miss any important bits to make it all work. It's easy to think that you have the idea, start right away, but just be patient, watch it through so you can fully understand. Alright, so then the top 3 niches I'll be teaching you are the skin and beauty niche, pet compilations, and viral vlogger compilations. Now before you go off and assume they're too heavily consumed, I'm going to stop you right there because obviously there are a lot of people doing this, but everything can be done better, and I'm going to show you how. Now here's a screenshot of what potential CPMs you can earn in these niches. In case you didn't know, CPM is how much you're going to be getting paid for every 1,000 views that you earn. Alright, now let's start by showing you channels that are doing well, their stats, their income, and then I'm going to show you how you can compete with them and piggyback off of their audience. Alright, now for the first niche, as you can see, this channel is getting millions of subscribers and millions of views. Let's just check out one of their videos, for example.
Garlic is a very common food found in many kitchens. It has many benefits of chasing away disease and calories. So
clearly the quality of this video is extremely poor. So now imagine you recreated these videos and put real effort into them. How do you think your audience would respond? Alright, now let me show you a powerful way to automate your videos and give you the ability to pump them out a lot more frequently. Now the toughest part to any video is recording the commentary when you need it. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get a professional commentary without ever recording your voice or paying someone, and also showing you how you can put little to no effort into the script itself. Alright, so the first step is to visit the site. I'll leave a link in bio. And this is basically a text-to-voice software which will easily pass as a human voice with most of the scripts that you provide. All you need to do is insert a script and choose your voice and then download the audio after. From here you can then build your video around it or vice versa. So let's give it a go and see how it sounds.
Conscious of its spiritual and moral heritage, the Union is founded on the indivisible, universal values of human dignity.
So I'd say it sounds pretty realistic, and you can actually go here to the drop down and choose different languages and accents. Now if you want to get the manuscript for your next video, first find the one you want to replicate, turn on closed captions, and copy away. Now by no means do I think you should leave it at that. The script is only for building your foundation. The idea of what we're doing is not just copying people and making money off them, only in retrospect, but the real objective is to continue providing value. If you find a video that's showing you the top 3 ways to clear your face, you're going to show the top 5 ways, with more examples, case studies, breakdown, and tips. Don't recreate the wheel, just take what's working and make it better. Now YouTube is not stupid, they'll know when you copy something one-to-one, so put heart into what you do and you'll see that people will respond a lot better to you. So now let me show you a couple ways that you can create professional videos with no experience needed. These methods will blow away majority of the other videos in your niche every time, so I highly suggest you try them as well. Alright, so the first step is to visit contentsamurai.com. Here you can actually build a video with pre-made templates that are all plug and play. So let's just go ahead and create a new video. Here you have a directory of all the different kind of videos that you can make. Let's just go for this one, for example. And as you can see, it's just an explainer video with text. So let's choose this one. Here for our script, we can just paste our script here. All right, now that we have a title and a script, we can click continue and create scene. From here, we can actually select from a directory of videos that they have, upload our own, or we can actually use images as well. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can figure out the voice. Let's click over here. And now you can click on auto voice and preview your video. Now let's just take a listen.
Blackheads, much like cockroaches, are the worst for this very reason. Every time you squeeze one of them away, you find dozens more to tackle. As satisfying as that squeeze.
Alright, so now that we're pleased with the voice, you can also use the one that you've downloaded from here and upload it right here into the voice track, or you can actually record your own voice as well. But alright, once all this is done, we can go to download and then just finalize our video. Alright, so then the second method I'm going to show you guys is Video Scribe. If you've ever seen a whiteboard animation video, you're probably very impressed and engaged through it all. Well, nowadays, these videos are extremely easy to make and only take hours to become a pro. Imagine recreating all these slideshow videos that have minimal effort and turning them into professional animations with a beautiful scripted voice, and giving a lot more value than what's currently out there. There's just no way that your video won't get noticed and blow up. Now, one of the best softwares for this is called Video Scribe, and I'll leave a link in the description if you choose to try this. There are other ones as well, I just know this is the most popular one. And I'll also leave a link with a video tutorial on how to become a pro in just one day. Alright, I'm going to show you guys an example of what a Video Scribe video could look like.
Do you want to advertise at a day-by-day or promote other ads you care about? Smart move. A day-by-day is specially designed to support and promote the advertisement needs of its members. As an advertiser,
so as you can see, it's a great software. You can make beautiful animations and it's extremely easy to use. Anybody can learn it, so I highly recommend trying this. It is a paid software though, so I will let you guys know. There are other free iterations of it, so if you guys choose to go down this route, just take a look and you'll find another program, but I highly recommend this one all the way. Alright, so now we have a script, a professional voice to narrate it, and an animated video to guide your viewers through it all. So now we're going to need to put it all together. If you're starting off and don't have a software to use, you can either use one of the two that I recommend. The first being Clidio, and this is great because it's a web-based software, meaning you don't have to download anything and you can do it straight from your browser. But if you're planning on putting a little bit more effort and time, I would recommend using a program called OpenShot. Now this one's also free, but it'll require you to download it. Alright, now I will admit the first two examples that I showed you are paid, so I'm going to show you a way that you can do this for the more budget-friendly people. So you can visit a website called Pixabay, or also there's another website called Pexels.com, and here you can find 4K high-definition content, all royalty-free, for you to use in your videos. Now once you have the videos, you want to go to the YouTube content library. Again, I'll leave a link in the description, and here you can find audio for your videos. So this is what comes up when we type in motivation. Let's take a listen. So what's important here is that you're free to use this song in any of your videos and you're not going to get a content strike or any copyright problems. So now we can go ahead and download it. So now that you've gotten your video and your audio, you can now go to Clidio or OpenShot and make a video. From here you can select your video and audio files, put them together and compose it. Now the reason I don't fully suggest this is because you're not putting that much more effort than the original content creator, considering they only use a slideshow or whatever it may be. And this is why I highly suggest that you go down the route of animating your video or using a templated software that'll make it all professional for you. I'm not going to show you how to make a video for the sake of time, but you can refer back to any of my other videos. I do explain more in depth on how to use the software. Now I'm just going to take a second to show you guys how much this channel is actually making. Now if you see the range is extremely high, but in reality based on the quality of the videos now, it's easy to say that they're meeting around the middle between $50,000 to $100,000 a month. That's obviously a ridiculous amount of money to make for explainer videos, but in reality there's definitely an opportunity for you to tap into this, and there's a big audience who's interested in this niche, and if you spent a bit of time and put a little bit more effort and top these videos, you'd be tapping into a lot of this income. Alright, now that we've created our first cash cow video, we are on our way to becoming filthy rich. I'm just kidding, but as long as we do this right, you're going to make some money. Alright, so now I'm going to take a second to run you through the entire process from A to Z so that you know how to set the channel up and schedule this entire project. So let's do this. Alright, so now step number one is to create a new channel. Find out what kind of channels are out there and fully analyze them. Come up with a name that's engaging, brandable, and easy to remember. Once that's done and your channel is up, come up with a logo and a banner. Pro tip, you can actually visit this site and they'll literally build the logo for you instantly. Let me walk you through so you can see how it works. Alright, now as you can see here, your new professional logo is made for you in an instant. You can use all these, you're not going to get in trouble, and most times they look very professional. Now I want you guys to remember something. The opportunity of a lifetime is only in the lifetime of the opportunity. No, seriously, but what better time to do something than now? Everyone's on YouTube consuming hours every day, and you sitting at home wondering what's the next move. Well, unless you want to do long surveys or dropship, this is it. Alright, now step two is to create your content in volume. This doesn't mean to cheap out and push as many videos as possible, but if you're starting off, try and grind it out, get a few done at a time. Or if you can, try and push out a video every 1 to 3 days. The reason for this is because you want YouTube to notice you and promote you. If YouTube catches you creating high quality content in volumes, they'll help you out. Now a good way to make an impact and be helped by YouTube would be to post at least 35 videos as soon as you can. Once that's done, you'll start seeing your videos gradually get more engagement and overall attention moving forward. Alright, now let's move on to our second niche. In this one, we can actually create an income in a few different ways. The first being the obvious one, which is making money through YouTube ads, Once you become a partner and monetize, you can easily make income because your videos are getting millions of views daily and there's no shortage of pet videos out there. Alright, now another way to make money with this channel is to sell affiliate products or merchandise. So let me show you how easy it is to capitalize on your views, sell products that if it's done well will convert very, very well. You can visit sites like Teespring where you can actually custom create virtually anything. Products range from shirts to pillows to canvases and so much more. The best part is that you can create your own custom store and upload your own designs, and this is all based on print on demand. And this is probably the smartest business model created in a long time, which gives you and the supplier the ability to sit on any product, but only create something when the order goes through. Now imagine you created a funny cat t-shirt or a canvas with a portrait of pets. These two products are already selling so well, so you can easily tap into the market. And keep in mind, you're not spending any money on Facebook ads or paying people for shoutouts. You're just posting your store link at the top of all your videos. Now, if your video gets 100,000 views and you're selling a $20 product with a $10 profit, even if 50 people purchased, you'd have made $500. Please tell me if you find an easier way to make money right now, because I'm all yours. All right, now the second option is affiliate products. This is another very popular method that's similar to selling merch, but it's a lot less work. You can use Amazon affiliates to find pet toys or any pet related product for that matter, and then again put the link at the top of the video and be patient. As long as you've chosen products that you know are going to sell, you will get traffic and sales. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ways to compound your income through the YouTube platform. Some of you may know this and that's okay, but I know a large majority of you are unaware, so I'm trying to make this as insightful as possible for you so you can take action now. If you've learned anything or found any value from this video to this point, I do ask you to take a second to like it and leave a comment with your thoughts. Please only like this if you're actually enjoying it, and if you have any problems with what I've mentioned, let me know in the comments below, because I'm here to grow with you guys and expect you to be honest with me. Alright, now we're on to the third niche, and this one might surprise you, but again, make sure you stick around because there's only a few minutes left and I'm going to leave you guys with some really crucial information that's going to make all this so much easier and pretty much guarantee your success on this endeavor. Alright, now the third niche is viral compilations. I'm sure if you've seen David Dobrik, then you've definitely seen those best moment videos because they're everywhere. So you can do the same thing, but with untapped content creators. So David Dobrik has plenty of fan videos already, but you can still do it. And there are plenty of other famous creators that you can easily piggyback off of and build a massive following from. Now with this method, it's almost impossible to get monetized considering you're pretty much stealing other people's content, but you can easily leverage the views and then again send them to a merchandise store, sell affiliate products, or use it to grow other channels. In reality, there's plenty of routes to go, you just gotta get creative with it. Now a really easy way to make a quick return is to promote Honey. Now for those of you who aren't aware of Honey is, it's just a simple plugin for Chrome that scans the entire web before you make any purchase, and any products with a coupon will immediately plug in the discount code if it finds one. This has already saved me so much money and it's completely free to use. They have an affiliate program, so if you decide to plug it into your videos, you'll make money every time they make a purchase. I would recommend this affiliate program throughout all the other routes because it's easy money with no real commitment to anyone who downloads it. Also, if you're going to use it, I got a link in the description for you guys right there. But anyway, that finalizes all three niches. I hope that I explained all of them well enough for you to take action. If I didn't, feel free to reach out. I reply to every comment that I receive. But now it's time for the long-awaited tips and tricks, so let's get right into it. Alright, trick number 1, pay someone on Fiverr to make the videos for you. Tip number 2, use TubeBuddy to rank your titles and use their keyword research tool to make sure you're populating the best tags for your videos. Tip number 3, find other videos in your niche and use their tags as inspiration for your own. Tip number 4, make sure you analyze your metrics and do whatever you can to increase your click-through rate and your watch time. Your click-through rate should average about 10 to 15%, and your watch time should average between 15% plus. These tips should set you up for success, but remember, nothing will happen overnight, so be patient and keep pushing. It's a long and hard route, but it will pay dividends. You know, we work so hard for our employers, dedicating 8 to 10 hours every day, sometimes 6 to 7 days a week. If we committed even a fraction into ourselves and into this business, there's no option but to succeed. Anyways, I thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. As I say, you guys are all MVPs and I appreciate you so much. Thanks again. I'll see you guys on the next one.